Hello and welcome back to oneHOWTO. Today we're going to explain a few basic merengue steps with a partner. So, first, let's do the basic steps without moving. I am going to hold my partner's hands like this and then count to 8, but staying in the same spot, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do a bit of a swing where we move away and then come closer together. It goes something like this. Now we're going to do another common merengue step where I put my hand on his shoulder, he grabs my hand like this and places his other hand behind my back, under my shoulders, like this. Let's start by doing a basic static merengue step while holding each other like this. Now, let's do the swinging step that we learned in other videos where the man pursues the woman and she plays hard to get before responding. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So once we feel comfortable with those steps, we can now do a turn. In previous videos, we explained what women and men need to do and which foot to use. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.